Hey, if you've been thinking about moving to Plant City, Florida, stick around and watch this video. We're going to highlight one of the newest communities and we're getting after it
right now.
If this is your first time on the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications so you can be the next to get those market updates on all of Plant City, Florida and around Tampa Bay.
My name is Debbie Diaz and this is Andres Diaz with the Diaz Group. We get calls, texts, emails every day from people just like you, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or in 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email so we can help you make that smooth move to Plant City, Florida.
So here we are in Plant City, Florida. We're going to highlight one of the newest communities with two different builders right now. Yep. We are in proximity-wise, we are about 25 minutes to Lakeland. We are about 30 minutes to downtown Tampa and about an hour to the
House of Mouse, Disney, Orlando.
M-I-C-K-E-Y.
Right, so you can see that proximity, you're right smack in the middle of Tampa and Lakeland. So if you're working in either direction, literally 30 minutes each way. The cool thing about this community, which is called Park East, is it is 1 mile off of I-4. So if you're needing to commute, like within 2 minutes, you could be to the interstate. And right behind us is a brand new South Florida Baptist Hospital that will be opening this month, which is May 2024. So a lot of good stuff coming up around you.
Stick with us. Let's go check out these communities. Let's see what these houses have to offer.
All right, let's go. So our first stop in Park East is going to be at Meritage Homes. Meritage offers 5 different floor plans here in this community. They are going to have 2 stories and single stories. We are going to zip through an Acadia, which is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 2-car garage, and it's just over 1,600 square feet, 1,607 to be exact. And again, it's a 4-bedroom home. So come on in, let's go check it out. So come on in to the Acadia. So you notice a nice entry. You have room for a little credenza, mirror. And then once you step into this home, you'll notice that it is a nice wide open floor plan. Now, Meritage Homes doesn't let you select a lot, select a home, select finishes. They pick the lots, they put homes on them, and they pick out the packages that they do put in the homes. All of them will have granite countertops. There are a couple that do have quartz. They're gonna have the white shaker cabinets. They will come with all your appliances, which are Whirlpool, stainless steel. You'll also get your washer and dryer, and you're gonna get blinds on the windows, even though we don't see them here on the model, but it is literally gonna be ready for you to just bring your toothbrush and your bags, move right in. So here we are gonna have 2 bedrooms just off of the kitchen. Actually, I lied, 3 bedrooms. We're gonna start back here in the corner. We've got bedroom number 1. Doors on their closets. Now they do carpet in all the bedrooms, tiled throughout all the common areas, even in your family room. So this is going to be bedroom number 2, similar in size with that closet on the door. And one of the things that Meritage Homes is known for is going to be the spray foam, which is great for insulation, and it's definitely energy efficient. We are going to have a full bath with a shower tub combo, again with the granite and the shaker cabinets. And this is going to be bedroom number 3. Pretty much same size as other bedrooms with the door on a closet. Now, as we go back out to the kitchen, it's going to flow easily right into your dining space. You could do a nice fixture right here, and that all overlooks your family room. So perfect home for entertaining. You've got your kitchen, dining room, TV. No one's going to miss a beat in here. Back here, tucked in the corner, we are going to have the primary ensuite and also your utility room. And again, Meritage Homes does include your washer and dryer. So that is just amazing. Again, carpet in the bedrooms. This is your primary, lots of natural light. You've got 2 windows in here. You can see they've got a king size bed with some really big nightstands. You've got room for your dresser, armoire, a chair for sitting. And then you do have your primary ensuite, which has the wood plank tile. You are going to have a walk-in shower, private water closet, a linen closet, and a nicely sized walk-in closet. So again, Meritage Homes does have 3 and 4 bedroom options, 1 and 2 story homes. This model right here, known as the Acadia, you can get into in the mid 300s. Homes do start in here in the low 300s, so definitely affordable for Plant City. If you have any interest in the Acadia or any of the Meritage Homes, please give us a call, drop us a comment, so we can help you find that perfect home. So here in Park East, the amenities are being built right now. So we do have an open air cabana. We have a pool that's already coming in. Directly behind me, there is a pad right there that's been poured for the basketball courts. We are going to have a dog park right here, and back in the corner, they've already started on the kids' playground. So there will be amenities and located all in one area. So our second stop in here in Park East is going to be at the Lennar model. However, model is not open at the moment. Right behind me is the Boston floor plan, and that features 5 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms with a 2-car garage, and it's just over 2,200 square feet. So here in Park East, Lennar does offer 5 different floor plans. You can get anywhere from 3 bedrooms all the way up to a 6 bedroom. So if you're familiar with the Concord, that is Lennar's largest model in Park East. So again, largest floor plan being the Concord here in Park East. Prices on these homes are going to start in the low 300s, and honestly, the largest home is going to be in the low 400s as well. So again, a lot of bang for your buck out here in Park East in Plant City. If you do have any more questions on Lennar or Meritage, please feel free to drop a comment or reach out. So here we are wrapping up Park East. And if you're wondering why we are in front of North Park Isle, it is because this community is right next door. So just if you are familiar with North Park Isles, Park East is directly across the street.
A lot of home for your buck, low 300s to low 400s. A lot of communities around. If you're looking to make that move to Plant City, Florida, you're going to have a lot to choose from with a lot of incentives right now. If you're looking to go into the new construction, please make sure you don't walk in there without us, because you're going to want buyer representation.
That is correct. So we didn't touch on CDDs. In North Park East, the CDD annually is just over $1,600 for the year. That is paid in with your taxes, so there's not going to be getting around that. HOA, super low. It's less than $90 for the year. You are going to have the amenities, which was the pool, basketball courts, tot lot, and a dog park. So you are getting a good bang for your buck out here in Plant City.
Again, trying to make that move, Plant City, anywhere around the Tampa Bay area, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We'd love to see you
around town. Bye now.